Hello everyone. The equity market has been quite volatile over the last several quarters. It is understandable that there is panic and concerns on the street regarding the market movements, especially in mid and small cap segments. Over the last 18 months, this segment has seen a sharp pullback. While the Nifty continues to remain quite resilient, led by a handful of stocks, the broader market continues to underperform. For example, since January 2018, the mid-cap index has underperformed Nifty by more than 30%, and the small-cap index has underperformed Nifty by more than 46%. Now, even on a 3-year basis, mid and small-cap basket is underperforming Nifty. The current divergence between performance of large and mid and small caps is at historical extremes. Relative valuations of mid and small caps vis-a-vis Nifty has corrected back to 2014 lows. History suggests that such divergence don't exist for too long, and post such large underperformance, mid and small caps usually tend to outperform large caps over the next 12 to 18 months. The NSE Small Cap 100 Index is now at a level when Nifty was below 9,000 levels last time. Valuations have started to look much more reasonable, and excess of 2017 have already been corrected. This is not the first time we have witnessed turmoil in mid and small cap segments. We have seen such phases, these moods even earlier. In the past, we have seen many such sharp drawdowns in small and mid caps. Let's go back to history for a moment. For example, in 2006, if you all remember, BSE small cap index corrected by more than 40% in a short span of 5 to 6 weeks on valuation concerns and margin calls led selling. However, this index recovered back to the highs in next 6 to 8 months. Most of the concerns vanished and the belief was back. Similarly, post Lehman crisis in 2008-9, the small cap index rose 290% from the lows in just under 2 years. When the current account deficit dragged the market down in 2012-13, the small caps corrected sharply by about 50%. However, they rallied by more than 100% in the next 9 to 10 months. Today, we are again back to that bear sentiment of hating mid caps and small caps. As they say, it is always darkest before dawn. Right now, the small caps are untouchables and in darkness. Can it get darker? Yes, it may get much darker, and the night could be a bit longer than what we expect. We know from history that it is futile to try time the market. We therefore advise investors to increase allocation to mid and small cap funds in a disciplined and a staggered way over the next few quarters to reap the benefits thereafter. Patience and ability to withstand interim volatility would be key for sustained wealth creation. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.